Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Trader Minute. I'm Carl. Thanks for tuning in this afternoon. It's great to have you aboard. And looking at the chart here, the S&P, it's been what a heck of a day, huh? The buy the dippers still there. Yeah, it's had quite the reversal up, reversal down, back down, and it's all over the board today. All right, as you've seen, probably the top three are in. Let's just get right to it. I just want to keep these right to the top three right now. So the top three is Walgreens. Now, it reminds me, I didn't see this show, but there was a show called like Wag the Dog or something. Getting off track here. Walgreens. So this is a trend rider bear entry. You can see the RSI here broken down through 50. The Bollinger Bands are expanding. The volumes here have increased here the last couple of days. Looks to run down towards the $56 level. All right. One thing a little bit noteworthy here, it's a little bit away from the 7, about a buck 50 or so away from the 7. There could be some consolidation right here, but overall, this price pattern, if we let me zoom in on this slightly. You look right through here, the price pattern, right? It's just basically a channel between 59 and 60, which is suggesting about another dollar move lower. But it's already moved that. It's breaking through that level right here. So really, I think the next level down here is going to beat that price target. It's going to be towards the $56 range. Again, it could consolidate a little bit, maybe pull it maybe slightly. I don't think it's going straight there. Could consolidate slightly. It's a little ways off from the 7. But overall, I still think this is going lower. Okay, the next one is Nucor. Yeah, I hear you guys in the shorts out there. It's hard to get short. The thing I like about these stocks, there's been no reaction. They've been down all day. They haven't gone up. They haven't really gone lower. If anything, they've gone lower from where I saw them. And that's what I always look for in bull markets. If you got something that's not affected by the trend overall and it's showing great signals one direction or another, it hasn't hurt to get short. But no, I hear you exactly what I know you're talking about. Nucor. And we brought this stock up in here today, right? And Nucor, it would be a vibe bull signal, right? It's a positive signal here. It's running higher. You can see the last few times that we've seen this type of action when we've got all the bands here expanding. In a locked up position. How the bands have, how it's jumped up off the 7 and we've seen a nice run out of it. This one's experienced a little bit of a longer term down than we saw over here in this type of action, a little bit longer. The MACD on it, you're going to notice, is not rising, so it wouldn't be the perfect signal. But overall, the MACD was falling on these other ones as well. If we go back and look at this action, see where the MACD was on these signals here, what was it doing? Right? Same type of thing. So I'm not too concerned about it. I love the setup. If it pushed a little bit higher into the close, make it a little bit nicer. But still, this is a pretty strong push here above the 7 and a bounce up here above the $50 mark. Didn't even make it back to that level and before it started pushing higher. So I like the setup here. It's a bullish setup. Okay, and then the last of the top three is Yahoo. And this is a very nice bull vibe signal. Let me zoom in on this slightly try to get everything in there that you can see. That's about as good as I can get. The indicators are all rising here. Got stock in an uptrend, rate of change, the MACD, all the averages rising. You got decent volume today, but again, you don't need extra heavy volume on this type of a signal. And see, there's no type of candlestick action over here that this has got to get through. And a lot of the trades I'll turn down, it's got some big bullish volatile action towards here. This is breaking clean up here. It's been consolidating up that $37 level. Today it's pushing through it. A nice looking bull vibe signal. Okay, as far as runner-ups, I showed you guys this one at lunch. It's gone too far too fast. This is USG. In USG, yeah, it's a mile, $2 away from the 7. Just gone too far too fast. I still think it's going to like go lower, but there's a chance here of some consolidation. But a nice runner up. And the one that's kind of fizzled, at least last time I looked at it, was Ford. It was showing a trend right or bear signal down in that lower Bollinger Band, but has since popped out of it. Okay, so if it closes here, then I wouldn't go short on Ford. It might be more of this range that it's been in between 1650 and about the 1725 mark. Okay, so that's the top three. I'm going to jump off here. We're going to be making a challenge trade here shortly. I just wanted to do those top three, and I'll make a challenge trade when we come back here in about 8 minutes or so, 5 to 8 minutes or so. Be back to make a challenge trade, and we'll look at the charts and go into the close today. Okay, thanks everybody. Bye bye.